Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is all about the human digestive system. First of all, let's start off with what is meant by digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of food into soluble pieces that can diffuse into the blood. When we use the word soluble, we mean it can dissolve, so it is small enough to fit between the other particles of blood plasma. Insoluble means it cannot dissolve because it's too large. The digestive system then is made up of many different organs. So now we need to go through and know what happens and what is the role and function of each of the different organs. If we start then, food begins within the mouth. This is where the teeth break down the food by mechanical digestion. Salivary amylase is also released, which breaks down the starch into maltose. This is an example of chemical digestion. Salivary amylase being an example of a carbohydrate. Next, we move our food down the esophagus. This is the tube, a thick muscular walled tube that carries food into the stomach. The food then reaches our stomach, which is a muscular sac with its inner layer which secretes enzymes. It also produces hydrochloric acid. This is there to kill any bacteria, and it is also there to help break down the food. As the food leaves the stomach, it is acidic and therefore needs to be neutralised. The liver produces bile, which is then stored within the gallbladder. This bile neutralises the hydrochloric acid from the stomach, and in addition, it also emulsifies fats, which means it breaks the fats into smaller droplets, so there is a larger surface area for enzymes to act upon it. Food does not enter the liver. Instead, on its journey from the stomach, the food acts with bile and then it goes into the small intestines. The small intestines are a long muscular tube where food is further digested by enzymes, all three types. The inner walls are also folded to form villi, which gives a large surface area and tiny microvilli as well. This is where food is absorbed into the bloodstream. Finally, the large intestine is where water is absorbed. In here, food becomes drier and thicker in its consistency, and feces are formed. Now, one other organ that needs to be mentioned is the pancreas. This is a large gland found around the place of the stomach. This produces pancreatic juice, and this contains proteases, lipase, and amylase.